again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. Our topic for today is triangle proportionality theorems. In triangle proportionality theorems, it is said that if a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides, then it divides those sides proportionally. So here we have a triangle A, B, C, and with a segment RT. Okay, so let us discuss which is the line. So if a line, so this is a line or it is a segment parallel to one side, so this is the one side parallel to one side of a triangle, intersects the other two sides, so this is the other two sides, then it divides those sides proportionally. So meaning this side and these sides are proportional. So let us get the proportional segment. Let's state that. So first we have side RB or segment RB over segment RA is equal to segment BT over segment DC. Okay, they are the proportional segment. And the other one we have segment RA over segment BR is equal to segment TC over segment BT. So this one we can also use this for getting the missing part of the triangle because this is also the same because if you already recall the properties of proportional, this is we call inverse property. Okay, another one we have BR, side or segment BR over segment BT is equal to segment RA over segment TC. It also the same for these three because this is we call this in a property is alternation. So you can use any of these. So these are the proportional segment. Okay, same given, same triangle. So we have, let's have a measure of each side. So we have side BR is equal to 10. Side RA is equal to 15. Side BT is equal to 12. And side TC is X. Side AC, 20. Side RT is Y. So, meaning we need to find X and Y. Yes, we are going to find X and Y. First, what are the proportional segment? So, we're going to use TC because TC having X unknown, indicated variable. So, this is the missing part. So, TC, segment TC over segment BT, okay, this is BT, is equal to segment RA, corresponding of TC is segment RA, over segment BR. Then let us substitute the values. So, TC is X, okay, BT is 12, then RA is 15, then segment BR is 10. Okay, so now, we're going to simplify first the fraction. 15 over 10 can be divided into 5. So, we have 15 divided by 5. So, the answer is 3. 10 divided by 5, the answer is 2. Okay. Then, we can cross product. X times 2 is 2x. Then, 3 times 12 is 36. Then, can be divided by into 2. So, your x now is 18. Okay. So, our x now is 18. The next one is RT. Because RT is the unknown or the missing part. This is Y, right? So, we're going to use RT. So, segment RT over segment AC. Small triangle, we use the small triangle. This is the small triangle. Okay. And this the big triangle, the whole. figure. Okay, so RT over segment AC is equal to BR. So this is BR over segment BA. So BA is the whole part of the triangle because we're going to use the small and big triangle. Then the value of RT is Y. Segment AC is 20. Segment BR is 10 and segment BA is 25 because 10 plus 15 is 25. Then we are going to divide this into 5 again. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then we can divide this also, our denominator, by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, then we use cross product. Y times 1 is Y, then 4 times 2 is 8. So our Y is 8. Okay, correct. So we're going to get the answers to know if they are correct. So we're going to use the scale factor or the same ratios. If they have the same ratios, our answer is correct. We use the small and big triangle. First, so we have 10 over 25, so small, then big, 10 over 25. 12, small, big is 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay, correct. Then small is 8 over 20. So we're going to get the lowest term. 10 over 25 can be divided into 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Check. Divided into 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Check. 8 divided by 4, 2. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 2/5. Correct. So they have equal ratios. And that equal ratios that we call the scale factor. Okay, that is our number 1. Okay, for number 2, we have the triangle CAH. Triangle CAH with the segment TY. Okay. Parallel, TY is parallel to this side, AC. So we have the measure of TH, that is 21. The segment HY is 35. CY is 15. AC is 20. Our AT is X. And our TY is Y. So we need to find the value of X and Y again. So this is the missing part. These are the missing parts. So X and Y. First, we need to get the proportional segment. We're going to use AT because AT is the missing part and that is X, right? So AT over TH, so we have AT over TH is equal to CY, the corresponding, so CY over YH. Then let us substitute the values. So AT is X, TH is 21, CY is 15, HY is 35. Then let us divide this into 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And the denominator can be divided into 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Then 21 divided by 7 is 3. Then cross product. So x times 1 is x. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 9. Our x is 9. The next one, we are going to get the y. So we use segment TY. The proportional segment is TY over AC. So this AC is equal to HY over HC, yung kabuuan. Because we are going to get the third side. So or parallel to the line. So we need to use small and big triangle. So TY is our y. Then AC is 20. HY is 35. And HC is 35 plus 15 is 50. Then we are going to simplify the fraction. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Then the denominator, can we simplify also? Divided by into 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So cross product. Y times 1 is y, then 7 times 2 is 14. So our y is 14. Okay, so we're going to get also the ratios of small triangle to big triangle. So first we have 21 over 30. Why is it 30? Because 21 plus 9 is 30. So small and big triangle. Then 35, small triangle. Then big triangle is 50. 14, small triangle. Then big triangle is 20. So what are the simplest form? So 21 over 30 divided by into 3. So it becomes 7 over 10. 35 over 50 can be divided into 5. So it becomes 7 over 10 also. 14 over 20 can be divided into 2. So we have 7 over 10 also. So our scale factor is 7 over 10. So any question, guys? So just comment at the box if you have any question. Okay, number 3. So we have triangle JHA with a segment or with a line of NO. It is parallel to JH and intersect both sides of the triangle. So the measure of JA is 20. This is the big triangle. And the measure of HA is the big triangle. The other side of the big triangle is 15. The part of HA, and that is HO, is 6. So we need to find NA. So this is NA. And this is JN. So this part, we need to find out the measure. So we have, so if you have 6 here and this is 15, you can answer the segment AO. And that will be 6 subtracted from 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. So we have the measurement of AO is 9. So we have proportional segment NA. So this is NA over JA, small triangle over the big triangle, is equal to the corresponding is AO. So AO is small triangle and the big triangle is HA. So let's find the values. So NA is, so no more any variable inside here. So we have NA over 20, small over big, is equal to 9, small. Then over the big triangle is 15. Then we need to simplify the fraction. So 9 over 15 can be divided into 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then 5 and 20 can be divided into 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So cross product. So our NA now is 12. Okay, guys. NA is 12. So if you have NA now, you are going to get JN by subtracting. So JN is equal to JA. So this is JA minus NA. Yes, to get DJN. So we have 20 minus 12 is 8. So our JN now is 8. So NA over JA is equal to OA over HA. So we need to get the same ratio. So we have 12, NA is 12 over 20, then 9 over 15. So divided into 4. 12 over 20 divided by into 4, so it becomes 3/5. Then 9 over 15 can be divided into 3 and also 3/5. So they are correct. The scale factor is 3 over 5. Okay, our last example, number 4, we have triangle KAT. So KAT with the measure of side KT is 150 centimeters. Then 150 divided into 3 parts. So we have A, side B, and side C. The corresponding of side A is X with a measure of 32 centimeters. Corresponding of B is Y with a measure of 40 centimeters. And C, the corresponding is Z with the measures of 48 centimeters, and we need to find the values of A, B, and C for the total of 150 centimeters. So we're going to write the proportional segment. So we have A over X equals B over Y is equal to C over Z. So this part, the other side, the total of the other side is 120. So 32 plus 40 plus 48 is 120. Now we're going to get A. So A over 150. No? This part over the whole, A over 150, so the corresponding now is 32 over the whole also, and that is 120. Then we're going to simplify the 32 over 120, so it can be divided into 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 120 divided by 8 is 15. Then the both denominator can be divided into 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. Then 150 divided by 15 is 10. So then cross product. So we have A is equal to 40. Okay. How about B? So same. B over 150. Okay. So B over 150, the corresponding is Y over 120. So we need to simplify the fraction to get the small number. So 40 and 120 divided by into 40. So 40 divided by 40 is 1. 120 divided by 40 is 3. Correct. And the denominator can be divided into 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 150 divided by 3 is 50. Then cross product, our B is 50. Okay, that is B. Next, C. C over 150, okay, C over 150, so corresponding of C is Z is 48 over 120. Then we're going to solve 48 over 120 divided by into 24. 48 divided by 24 is 2. 120 divided by 24 is 5. 5 and 50 can be divided into 5, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. 150 divided by 5 is 30. Then cross product, our C now is 60. Okay, so we have complete answers now. So we have 40, 50, and 60. So let's get the same ratios. A over X is equal to B over Y is equal to C over Z. So A is 40 over 32. 40 over 32. Then 50 over 40. Then 60 over 48. So what is the simplest form? Divided by into 8, so it becomes 5 over 4 divided by 10, 5 over 4 divided by into 12, this is 5 over 4. So this now is the common ratios. But this is not the scale factor because the scale factor is the small and big triangle. This is only the ratios of the proportional segments. So our answer is 40, 50, and 60. Okay guys, that's end for today. Hope you have learned a lot in our topic of triangle proportionality theorem. Thank you for watching and God bless.